Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I am super excited. I found another Ulta Beauty Advent Calendar. Yes! If you guys want to know what I got in the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Bath box, then keep on watching. Okay everyone, so I don't know if you guys just recently saw I did do an Ulta haul. And actually a really big Ulta haul, a $1,000 Ulta haul, which, I guess we won't even get on the topic of that. But nevertheless, I was able to snag this bad boy in my Ulta haul. Just when I thought there was no more Ulta Beauty Advent Calendars, there was another one. I actually filmed two already. They were all in one video. I compared the two Ulta Beauty Advent Calendars. One looked like a piñata and one looked like ornaments you put on a Christmas tree. I will link that video down below if you're curious to see the other Advent calendars that Ulta has for 2020. I also did the Sephora haul, just to mention, if you guys want to compare. And Ulta definitely blew the Sephora Advent calendar out of the way. But let's see what this bath one is about, because I had no clue there was another one. But I'm guessing this is all more bath products, like maybe like bath bombs and stuff like that. But who knows? It's an Advent calendar, so anything can be in here, right? Alrighty, so before I do my unboxing and show you guys what's in here, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel who stumbled across my channel today. My name is Aisha. I love makeup. I do lots of makeup subscription boxes on my channel. I'm mostly a makeup subscription channel, but because I love makeup, I do lots of makeup hauls. I love mystery boxes. For the holiday season, I will be doing lots of Advent calendars, hence why I'm doing one today. If those are things that you like, you love makeup, then I would say subscribe to my channel, become a part of my family, because we all love makeup here. So without further ado, I'm so curious to see what's in here, so let's dig in. Alrighty, so the first cube has 1 and 2, and they go all the way around, So we're gonna start off with number 1. It's cute. It says Ulta Beauty on the top of the box. It also says it at the front. Alright, so number 1, let's see here. The suspense. This is number 1. So it looks like I got, let's see here, I got a whipped vanilla hand cream. Hold on a second. I absolutely do not love the smell of vanilla. I actually it makes me heave, thinking of the smell. So I'm not even going to open it. I'm going to give that when I do my next giveaway for my $1,000 milestone. So number 2 is an itty bitty. Look how tiny number 2 is. Number 2 is right here in the middle. And that one's really small. So I'm curious to see maybe like a bath bomb or something. Sorry, it's hard to open these things with nails. I just ripped the whole box. Look at me. I just demolished this box. Sorry guys. But it's really, really hard to get these items out. Especially this item right here. Hold on. I just broke my nail, guys. Look at this. I just broke my nail. I was just saying it's hard to get these things out with this box, and I just broke my nail. Lucky thing I have a nail point tomorrow at 11 a.m. because now that's another nail that broke. Alrighty, so I'm going to be using something to get this out now so I don't break another nail. So be right back. Alright guys, so me in this box is not getting along because it broke my nail. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Broke a nail. You see what I do for you guys? This is all for love. But like I said, I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow, so it's okay, but it's just, oh, I'm so sad. But anyway, they gave me a vanilla lip scrub, and like I just said, I don't like the smell of vanilla. So this is two things I won't be able to use, but this is what it looks like. Alrighty, so two things so far I cannot use. Let's go to number 3. I won't be using my nails to open this. I learned that one the hard way. I'm not going to break another nail. Oh my god. I wish I would. Let me read the back of this and see if this whole box is vanilla scented. Because then I'm going to be out of luck. Is this whole thing vanilla scented? No, this other scent. It says berry. Oh, sometimes it says vanilla, but I'm so sad. I got a vanilla foot cream. Let me see if I could just smell it. Maybe it's not that bad. Let me see here. Oh yeah, it's bad. I don't know. I don't like the smell of vanilla, but so far I got 3 vanilla things here. Alrighty. So far Aisha's not happy, but I mean, it's an advent calendar, and I mean, it does tell you what you get in the back. In the back, they have everything listed on the bottom. Let's see what's in number 4. That's number 4 right there. And I'm actually using my brow pencil to open this now, because your girl can't afford to break all her nails in one video. We'll save a breaking of the nail for another video. Alright, so let's see here. Ooh, this is cute. I got a cute little headband, and it's pink, my favorite color. So I got one of these. It has like a little that to snap it with a little Velcro. So very excited for that. I definitely will use that. Then we have 5 and 6 on the bottom. So let's see here. Very hard to. I actually like when they actually have like drawers, because they're very hard to open otherwise. Oh my guys, they're killing me with this advent calendar. They gave me a vanilla lip balm. They're killing me right now. They're killing me. I have 4 things vanilla scented, and I hate the smell of vanilla. It's right. At least it'll be a cute little giveaway. I could give the whole set of it away to some lucky subscriber. What else did I get? Let's go to number 6. Alrighty, number 6. What is this? It is a bath bomb. A bath bomb. It's pink, my favorite color, so I'm here for that. I can definitely use that. Now for 7, 8, and 9, which is on the back part here. Okay, guys, this is number 7 right there. I am demolishing this box because it's hard to get everything out of it, so sorry. This is a frosted berry lotion. I do like the smell of berry, so I can actually use this. Alright, let's see what it smells like. It's sealed, which is always a good thing. It doesn't really have too strong of a smell. I mean, I could smell the berry scent, but it doesn't really smell too much like a berry. But that's what it looks like. Alright, so now for number 8. Please excuse my box presentation. Number 8 is a... Okay, this was a womp womp. This was a... Womp womp womp. Like Ulta. This is not even like an Ulta brand. This is like a cheap generic loofah. And it smells weird too. But anyway, nevertheless, not excited for this. Number 9. Okay, number 9 is a Frosted Berry body wash. Well, I love the smell of it already. They're sealed, but I smell... Oh, did anything come out? No. I smelled it from the lotion. I do like the smell. Alrighty, so we have 10, 11, and 12 on the back. Let's see what's in number 10. At this point, I'm just taking everything out because this thing is shot. It's shot. So we have 10, 11, and 12. For number 10, we got Berry Bubble Bath. Number 11, we got Bath Confetti. And number 12, we have Bath Salts. These are all berry scented. So it just looks like they gave you some stuff from the berry collection, some stuff from the vanilla collection. Sorry, I got tongue twisted for a second. So all of the vanilla scented stuff I will be giving away. I don't know what it is in that vanilla scent that makes me like, ugh. I don't like the smell of anything vanilla. But nevertheless, what would I rate this Advent calendar? I don't know. I wasn't here for it. I was not here for this Advent calendar. I probably would give it a... Had I liked vanilla, I probably would have gave it like a 7. But now I'm giving it like maybe like a 4. There was something in here that I was really excited for. And berry's not like one of my favorite scents. So this is just my opinion on what I feel from the Advent calendar. What did you guys think? Did anybody even know that this Advent calendar existed? It was just kind of random. I was like shopping and I saw it and I'm like, let me try this out. So that really is about it. My next video, I am going to be unboxing the Glossy Box. I always give sneak peeks of what I'm going to do for my next video for the most part. At the end of my videos, if you guys are curious what my next video is going to be on, 9 times out of 10, I will show you at the end of my video. I have 2 of my Ipsies already. I have my Ultimate and I have my Itsy glam bag. I didn't get my plus yet, so I'm thinking of maybe just doing them all 3 together, so I'm going to hold off on that. I still haven't got anything from BoxyCharm yet. They used to come early, but now it's like mid-month of December and I still haven't gotten anything from them yet. So stay tuned for that as well, and amongst all my other makeup subscription boxes. And that's really about it. I'll see you guys